What is up, guys? Dallas here with Integral. Today's video, we are going to be showing you our all-new Integral straps here on this 2023 Toyota Tundra. You heard that correct. Our Integral straps are now Integral Swivel Straps. So all of our Integral straps or swivel straps rotate at a 360-degree rotation. So we're going to go ahead and show you, give you guys a little demonstration on what these straps are capable of. Again, like I said previously, we have this mounted on our 2023 Toyota Tundra. We also have these swivel straps available for Rams, Chevys, GMCs, Fords, and we do have a integral rail version as well, and we also have a universal option. We currently only have our integral swivel straps mounted to the front of our truck. We do only currently have the front sets for the 3rd gen Tundras, and then we do have the rear sets as well for the 2nd gen Tundras. But we're going to go ahead and hop in the bed to show you what our new integral swivel straps are all about. All right, so this is the back of the bed of our 2023 Toyota Tundra. As you guys can see, we have our full panels on the bed sides, and we have our integral swivel straps right here in the corners. So as you can see, it doesn't really take up much space at all, and you can definitely access them on the side of your bed. But of course, if your truck is fairly high, it is a lot harder to do so. But we're going to go ahead and get into our bed and show you what these guys are all about. All right, so here is our integral swivel strap mounted to our bed. Again, this uses all factory mounting points. So if this wasn't here, we just had a normal D-ring mounted to the side of the corner of the bed. But yeah, so pretty much it uses your OEM factory mounting points. So as you can see, we have a dual pivot right here. We can go ahead and adjust this to whatever angle that you want. You can go ahead and straighten this guy out, just like so. You can also rotate this guy 360 degrees. So if I'm going to go ahead and strap a dirt bike, I can have it straight up, pull back, and then auto retract, just like that. And in order for you to auto retract your strap, you want to go ahead and press this red button, and be mindful that you have to make sure that this handle and lever is pushed all the way back, and then you can go ahead and push that red button in, and there you go. And when you go ahead and pull your strap back, you want to make sure that this handle is pulled forward. And once that is pulled forward, it'll lock, just like that. As you can see, we also have our full-size panel mounted to the bulkhead of our Tundra. Again, this is mounted to the factory rail system that Toyota does provide in its trucks. So lots of space still as well. I'm going to go ahead and get a pack out so that I can show you the clearance with the strap. All right, so we got our box right here. We're gonna go ahead and attach this guy. And this is fairly the larger one, of course, and I can always move my panel to the side, but I do like to put both cases on my bulkhead area. We can go ahead and still use our strap easily no matter what. Even if I had a dirt bike in the back up here, I can just go simply tilt it all the way up, pull my strap, and still use it if I were to attach it to something. All right, so we are at the driver's side of our pickup. Again, this is the same exact strap as you just seen on the passenger side. It is a 360 rotation, dual pivot, retractable strap. So I can go ahead and pull it. Make sure this is up, and it's locked in. And then to get this guy back in, an auto retract, boom, there you go. And again, we made sure that you did not lose your tie-down point right there. Again, this uses all factory OEM mounting points, so there's no drilling. Honestly, no tangle, obviously, with traditional old straps. And like, did I say it's a 360 rotation? So how sweet is that? We went away with our old design and came up with this new design. Again, we have these integral swivel straps available for other models like Ram, Chevy, GMC, and Ford. And again, we do have a universal option as well. So fairly cool. And then we do have a integral strap made for our integral rail system. So definitely check that out. Here's a great example for what these straps are really good for. We love obviously getting our propane refilled, and it's a pain when this is always bouncing around in the back of your truck. This is when our integral straps our integral swivel straps come in handy. Turn that guy just like that, pull this around, tighten him up. Just like that. That is secured. Closer look, we're gonna go ahead and grab our strap, rotate it, pull all the way, press this red button for that extra slack, just like that. We can go ahead and ratchet our strap away. And there you go. This tank is not going anywhere. All right, so we got our strap all tightened up. As you can see, not much room for slack at all. And you can hear like that tension. And you can see our gas tank is tight. That's not going anywhere. So I can go ahead and safely exchange my tank without this guy pretty much flying all over my bed like a ticking time bomb. So this is our all new integral swivel straps. Again, they have a 360 rotation. So really awesome. Like I said previously, we have them available for other models such as Rams, Chevys, GMCs, Fords, and we also have a universal option as well. And then we also have an integral rail strap as well, made for our integral rail system. But to remove this, our strap, simply press down your handle with the red button, and there you go. You got all that slack. Take this off, press that red button, and your retractable strap is all safe and sound with no messes, no tangles. So thank you guys for watching. Definitely appreciate your guys' support. If you guys like what you guys saw, I will leave a link down below to our main website and then another link down below to these exact straps. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.